Hey everybody, it's Kim, and I'm on with a AliExpress haul. I know it's been a while for that, and it's just small, so I'm combining it with another Temu small haul. I'm not sharing from Temu the stuff I got for Tori's birthday. I don't think anybody's interested in mermaid stuff, but it will be in the links though, because I just hit the order for the link. Anywho, links will be provided. I don't know if I can. I'll try to do the Ali one as well. Okay. So Ali, I don't know if I said this yet or not. I was inspired by watching Sharon. Hi Sharon, if you're watching, on Craft Eccentricity. And she used, I think she got this one, but it got me to the shop that I really liked the stamps and stuff. This little bunny here, from tip to about 6 inches. The biggie. And I actually did a sample for you guys. Oh my gosh. It's like he's spitting in the air with all the stuff around him. I could have put like him on grass, but I didn't. I put him up higher and I watercolored him or her. Little tail. And then I just went around with different colors in the background. A little busy, but not bad. So there's that one. And then I did, I don't think Sharon got this, but it was on the site. I'm sorry, I don't remember the shop name, but it'll be, if I can, I'll link it. But it's these squirrels. Oh my gosh, they're a hoot. And, you know, I love my squirrels. So, sorry. There we go. Whew. And I'm nuts about you, and then you get this crazy squirrel dancing around, and this one looks more natural. And these beautiful corner pieces, I have not used this, or this yet. But I did do a couple samples with this one. So here's the more natural looking squirrel, and I think I'll go back with that nut and put the nut in the poor little guy's hand. He's like sitting there, I'm nuts about you, but there's got no nuts. So I need to put that there. Anywho. So I'll do that, and I just took my toothbrush and some really watered down inks from Tim Holtz, the Distress inks, and just flicked background, and I used just the stamp as the mask. So I just laid the stamp on top of that and then flicked around so it didn't get on the little squirrely. So yeah, I'll go back, and he needs a nut. And then this one, oh my gosh, isn't he cute? I'm nuts about you, and I did some yellow, but I was like, oh, I don't know, but I think it adds to his ta-da excitement. And then I did the nuts here, which I like those. I may try to just single out one of those. I don't know. Anyway, for the other one, rather than just the blackout. Isn't that pretty? And again, put down a mask over him, the stamp. I don't know, I feel like with the clear ones you can do that. I just laid the stamp on top of him so he didn't get sprinkled on. And then I flicked some color and then went around the edges. So there you go. And this is not anything to do with Ali or Temu, so don't ask me where well, the background stamp I got a while back from Temu. And I had watercolored. I believe I shared that. But then I found this. I got it clearance at Hobby Lobby sometime. And so I put that in foil, pink foil on top. Isn't that pretty? Really like that. So that's just another thing I was fiddling with. Then I got an embossing folder. Of course, it's over. Hang on. It's a 3D one. And I liked it because it has this place for a sentiment or a message or a picture. And I just did it in hot pink so you guys could see what it looks like. What I really need to cut it out with or emboss it with, I mean, the embossing on there is just unbelievable. Let me stand up and see what you're saying. Yeah, you can see it. So pretty, these petals. So it'd be fun to go use white core so that those flowers and things would be white, so I might give that a go. But yeah, there's that. And Allie didn't take, some of it takes long and some of it, you know, I still am waiting on another order, but these I haven't stamped up yet, but they are sentiments. All good vibes. Look on the bright side. Be your own kind of beautiful. And I thought these could work in planners too, because, you know, you are loved over and over. Think happy thoughts. And all of, yeah. So I really like that one. And the thing with Allie too is that usually it's single by shop, so you have to reach a certain amount in their shop to get the free shipping. Whereas Temu, it doesn't matter who's doing it, it's still, that was a duh. I don't know if I have the price on this one. Yeah, this one was $1.68. I don't think I have the prices on all of them. Anyway, hopefully, like I said, I can link. But I really like these, sending love your way. So they're like those little tapes that you print out. Be the reason someone smiles today. That's a good one. It's a good day to be happy. Thankful for you. Rise and shine. I used to, the boys still remember, I'd go down and go, rise and shine. In the morning, they just hated it. That's why I did it. Just to torture them. Someone special sending happiness. Anyway, be the rainbow. Oh, that's pretty. So, I got that. On the alley. And this one, I guess, was $1.67. Excuse me. I'll leave a link to Sharon's channel if you have not discovered her yet. Right now she's doing usually 3 days a week. She creates with things that she's gotten from AliExpress. Often for shops like KS Craft, she does things. But very creative. I always learn something from Sharon. So be sure, if you have not checked her out, be sure to, because she's got great tips and very fun to watch. Let's see, 2:06. I like to start my day. Good morning, everyone, she always says. Such a sweetie. Superstar, to the moon and back. Wish upon a star, cute. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Smile, sparkle, shine. Dream big. So this would be perfect for my baby album too, or calendar. And then this is just like stain type things, right? And that was $2.02. And then this one came with dies, so it was $3.91. And it's, oh, that's right, it's a jar. I haven't made this yet. You're my jam. So it's a jam jar. You are a wonderful human, and I appreciate all you do. I'm glad we are friends. Very cute. Thanks for being sweet. Love you very much. That's sweet. And then it has the dies. You get the berries, the leaves, the jar, all the stuff. So I'll try to make something with that soon and share that. And that was Allie. Now we're transitioning to Temu. Oh my gosh. So I got way too many of these. 272. I think there was like 5 of them in here. Good Lord. I wish they were some square, some circle. You could only choose square, circle. They didn't have a variety pack that I saw anyway. For the, this is mainly junk journal stuff because, you know, I went down that rabbit hole and I'm still diving in. Still going in. So there's that. Got a bunch of kind of planner type stamps. These are clear stamps, $1.54 for like weather. Let me take these out. And they're separated, so that's good. Because we wouldn't want it to do all those same weathers in one day. Whew, that'd be crazy. I did a Zoom call meeting with my doctor, and she goes, what have you been, I've known her since before Eric was born. She was the doctor that helped deliver him and during my pregnancy. And I said, planner, I was working on it while I was waiting for you. And I showed her, and she just gets the biggest kick out of it. So I love her. She's awesome. So there's this, little icons you could put on there. Liking that. And what I usually do, let's see if I have some tape. This is not my original idea. Sorry, I keep walking away. I saw somebody suggest this, and I was like, that's genius. You know how you always lose this top or bottom? You just put tape, like a strap on part of it, and boom, it's always together. So So there you go. Tips by Kim. And then this one has little icons for $1.60. Let's see. More, well, just everything. Tree, Christmas tree. Of course, they, they gotta put it. I almost said Dollar Tree. Temu. Temu. The T and the moo. Stop it. Okay, so let's tape that while we're thinking about it. Oops, and I can make it so you could actually see it too. That'd be fun. Wouldn't that be a good idea? Huh. Go look at that. Kim's thinking all the time. So, speaking of thinking, I had to let the gal that, I hope she sees my email. We have a metal box for a community, so like 6 homes or whatever. Anyway, it's a slot to mail stuff. I slide her card that she won in there, and then I went, and I can't get it back because it's down the slot. No stamp. Oh my god, I need my own personal secretary, I swear to god. Anyway, these are cute. So, hopefully they'll just put it back. Oh, there's a good one for me. Tooth. Study. I don't do that anymore, thank god. Brushing her teeth. Oh, this is cute. Ice cream. I have that. Oh my gosh, very cute. What is this? Oh, pills. I did start doing my pills daily, and boy does that save a lot of time. Holy mackerel, I'm like, okay, I like this. And then this one, birthday, happy day, Valentine's Day, $1.66, workout, holiday, vacation, wellness, brunch, all the words. The holidays, Prosecco time, Prosecco, gin o'clock, cosmetic, very cool. Beauty treatment, girls' night out, girls' day, cute, shopping. So very cute. Let's see, what did I say? $1.66. I better tape it. I got a couple more, and then we'll be done. But yeah, go to the mailbox, do my thing. Now I'm ready to do my taxes. I've turned all that in. See if I get any money back. I don't care if I get money back, because that means I'm, taking the right amount out of everything, but I don't want to owe any money. That's my big thing. So there's that, and then another one. I got enough of these. My god. Index, important, perfect, awesome. This puppy was $1.64. Coffee with. Oh, fun. I do that a lot. Recipes, date, very cool. And then this one, I have rainbow dies that I'm thinking will go with it. $2.63 with a stamp set. Isn't that cool? You are simply fantastic. You are a ray of sunshine. Reach for the stars. Little birds. Thanks. Hello. Embrace the journey. Oh boy. Yeah, that's true. This must be jot tape. I can't get it to break very good. Here we go. So I don't know if it goes with another set like dies. It seems like it would. But I have arch dies that I could use as well. So yeah, I'll try that out. And just a couple more things. This is planner related too. This was $4.65, but you got a lot. I'm not gonna. Good. Okay, so this one does just the abbreviations for the days of the week. This one's a little wider, has the months of the year, days of the week. Very cool. And then this is a wide one. Some go to the 31st, some go to the 30th. So you can make your own little tape thing, I guess. Huh. I don't know. What would you do with this? Anyway. Okay. Got that. Let's see. Oh, and then stickers. Just one pack of stickers. I'm buying stickers again. You know I have them, but where have I put them? Come on. $1.45. Yeah. Anyway, this one is kind of strawberry related. Strawberry. This looks crocheted. Oh, I like these though. Cupcake. What's this? These kind of look like what you print off of different things digitally, but whatever. Elements. Another cupcake. Strawberry. Isn't that cute? Jam. Love me some jam. Buttons. Oh yeah, very cool. Ones. I won't go through all of them. There's a lot in here. Oh, look at the teapot though. Cute. Cute and more cute. There we go. Watering can. Another watering can. Oh my gosh, these are adorables. Oh, look at the bow. That's neat. Oh, I really like that. That's cool. It doesn't add any dimension. Frame. Oh, that's cute. Like a little tag. Some more frames. And then a beautiful basket. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love these. I'm very happy with these. These were worth the $1.45, don't you know? All right, you guys. That's it for my Temu and my Alley. I will have more because I've been shopping. I've been very, very bad. But, what else is new, right? All right, you guys. Talk to you soon, and I'll try to remember to leave links and to the items. Let me know if you have any questions about anything, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.